Hello everyone. In today's class, we'll be talking about the product of two numbers using the identity. So in the previous class, we had discussed the second question first part. Now we're doing the second part, third part. The second part says 95 into 96. We can represent 95 as 100 minus 5 and 96 as 100 minus 4. Now we have a minus b, x minus a, x minus b, or x plus a, x plus b, whereas a is minus 5 and b is minus 4. We will apply the identity here as x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now value of x is 100, value of a is minus 5, and value of b is minus 4. So just substituting the values, we'll be getting 100 square plus a minus b, that is minus 5 minus 4 into 100 plus minus 5 into minus 4. This is minus 5 into minus 5 plus minus 4 will give you minus 9 into 100 and plus 20. 10,000 plus 20 minus 900, this answer is 9120. Now, next question is 104 into 96, that is 104 can be represented as 100 plus 4 and 96 can be represented as 900 minus 4. So it will be 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4. Will apply a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Instead of a, we have value of a is 100 and value of b is 4. So it will be 100 square minus 4 square is a square minus b square. 10,000 minus 16, the value will be 9984. Now, the next question we have here is, we need to factorize using suitable identity, appropriate identity, 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Just closely observe the question. This 9x is nothing but 3x whole square. 9x square is nothing but the square of 3x. 9 is perfect square of 3. Whereas y square is perfect square of y. Now, if we take a is equals to 3x and b is equals to y, this 6xy is nothing but 2 into 3x into y, that is 2ab. So instead of a, we have 3x square, a square. Instead of b square, we have y square. And instead of 2ab, we have 2 into 3x into y, that is 2ab. So it will be 3x square plus 2 into 3x into y plus y square. So it will be 3x plus y whole square, not 1 square. It is 3x plus y whole square. So we have 9x square is perfect square of 3x and y is perfect square of y. So it will be 3x plus y whole square and plus 2ab. So we have the identity a square plus 2ab plus b square is nothing but a plus b whole square. Now the next question we have is 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So 4y square minus 4y plus 1 will give us, let's see, the middle term is negative. If it is negative, we can apply the identity as in first and last term is perfect square of 2x and 1. So the first term is perfect square of 2y. The last term is 1, that is perfect square of 1. And the middle term is negative. So we can apply the identity of a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Instead of a, we have 2y. Instead of b, we have 1. And instead of 2ab, we have 2 into 2y into 1. That is minus 4y. So while comparing with a square minus 2ab plus b square, it is a minus b whole square. That is 2y minus 1 whole square. Now, the next question in front of us is x square minus y square by 100. X square minus y square by 100. Here we have the first term is perfect square of x, whereas the last term is perfect square of y by 10. Y square by 100 is square of y by 10. So we can represent this as x square minus y by 10 whole square. As we know that a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. as we know that a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Instead of a we have x, instead of b, in place of b we have y by 10. So we'll substitute the values, that is x plus 10, x plus y by 10, that is a plus b, and a minus b, x minus y by 10. A minus b, x minus y by 10. So it will be a plus b into a minus b, that is x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. Now we'll apply the new identities, that is identity number 5 in question number 4. Identity number 5 says expand, we need to expand x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. X plus 2y plus 4z whole square. This is nothing but a plus b plus c whole square. And the identity of a plus b plus c whole square was a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. X square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca. So let's have a look on the solution part. If we'll apply the identity on the first one, that is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square, instead of a or x, we'll apply the identity of a plus b plus c whole square. In place of a, we can compare a is equals to x, b is equals to 2y, and c is equals to 4z. Now we need simply substitute the values of a, b, and c in the identity. A square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca. While substituting these values, we'll get x square. Instead of a, will substitute x, that will be a square will be x square, b square will be 2y whole square, c square will be 4z. Instead of c square, we'll have 4z whole square. Instead of 2ab, we'll have 2 into x into 2y. Instead of 2bc, we'll have 2 into 2y into 4z. Instead of 2ca, we'll have 2 into c 4z and a x, that is 2 into 4z into x. Now x square is x square, 2y whole square will give you 4y square, 4z whole square will give 16z square, 2 into 2y into x into y will give you 4xy, 2 into 2y into 4z will multiply the constant part, 4 to the 8 to the 16 yz, and 2 into 4 8, and will multiply x and z, that is xz, or z and x, it will be zx. This is the expanded form of x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. This is the expanded form of x plus 2y plus 4z whole square is nothing but x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 16yz plus 8zx or xz. Now, the second question says 2x minus y plus z square. 2x minus y plus z square. Now we can write this minus y plus bracket minus y plus z square. So while comparing with a plus b plus c whole square, we'll get a is equals to 2x, b is equals to minus y, and c is equals to z. We need to simply substitute the values of a, b, and c in a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca. While substituting the values, we'll write a is equals to 2x, b is equals to minus y, and c is equals to z. So it will be 2x square. Instead of a square, we'll write 2x square. Instead of b square, we'll write minus y square. Instead of c square, we'll write z square plus 2ab. Instead of 2ab, we'll write 2 as it is. Instead of a, that is 2x. And in place of b, we'll write minus y. 2bc, that is 2. Instead of b, it is minus y. And value of c is z. 2ca, that is 2. Value of c is z. And value of a is 2x here. So we'll write 2x here. Now we'll simplify these brackets. 2x whole square is 4x square. Minus y square is plus y square. Z square as it is. 2 into 2x into y. 2 to the 4xy. But y is negative, so it will be minus 4xy. 2 into minus y into z will be minus 2yz. And 2 into z into 2 into x, that is 2 to the 4 zx. So answer will be 2x minus y plus z square is equals to 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4zx. Now tell me the answer for third part of this question. You can chat me the answer on your chat box. You just need to simply apply the identity of a plus b plus c whole square in minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. Minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. You need to apply the identity which is on screen. A plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca. Just need to apply the identity and get the answer. Aditya wrote the answer as 4x square plus 9y square plus 4z square. Perfect. Minus 2ab will give you minus 12xy. 2bc will give you 6 to the 12yz. Perfect. And 2ca will give you 8zx. Perfect. Very good, Aditya. Aditya wrote the right answer as 4x square plus 9y square plus 4z square minus 12xy plus 12yz minus 8zx. Waiting for the answer for others as well. Else I'll show you the answer now. Alak also wrote the same answer. Yes, it is correct. Perfect. Good, Manan, Aditya, Alak. Let's move on. So we have A, B, C. Instead of A, the value of A is minus 2x, value of B is 3y, and value of Z is 2z over here. Now, we'll substitute the values in the identity. A plus B plus C whole square is equals to A square plus B square plus C square plus twice AB plus twice BC plus twice CA. Now, value of A is minus 2x, so it will be A square minus 2x square. Value of B is 3y, so B square will be 3y square. Value of C is 2z, so C square will be 2z square. Plus twice AB, so plus 2. Instead of A, we have value minus 2x and B is 3y. Plus 2bc, that is 2 into 3y. Instead of value of b is 3y, value of c is 2z. So 2 into 3y into 2z and 2zx, 2ca, that is 2 into value of c is 2z and value of a is minus 2x. So 2 into 2z into 2x. Now we'll solve the brackets. 2x minus 2x whole square will give you 4x square positive. 3y square will give you 9y square positive. 2z square will give you 4z square positive. 2 into 2x into 3y. 2 into 2x into 3y will give you 4. 2 to the 4, 3 are 12 xy. 2 into 3 into 2, 3 to the 6 to the 12 yz, and 2 into 2 into 2, 8 zx with negative sign because x is negative here. So the answer is 4x square plus 9y square minus not plus 4z square minus 12xy plus 12yz minus 8zx is the answer for question number 3. Question number 2, part 3. Now the part 4 says 3a minus 7b minus c square. 3a minus 7b minus c square. So we'll apply the identity in the form of xyz here because we have the question in the form of abc. So it will be better if we can compare the question with the different identity. If its question is given in the form of a, b, and c, we'll apply the identity of x in the form of x plus x, y, and z. So while applying the identity of x plus y plus z square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus twice xy plus twice yz plus twice zx, we'll compare x is equals to 3a, y is equals to minus 7b, and z is equals to minus c. We'll substitute the values. X square, 3a square, y square, 7b square, minus 7b whole square, and z square minus c square plus 2ab or 2xy, that is 2 into 3a into minus 7b plus 2yz, 2 into minus 7b minus c, and plus 2 into minus c plus into 3a. While solving the brackets, we will get 9a square plus 49b square plus c square minus 42ab plus 14bc minus 6ca minus 6 CA. So this is the right answer. I got the answer, correct answer from Aditya and Raghav. Anika made some no. Anika wrote the previous answer. All right. So it is 9a square plus 49b square plus c square minus 42ab plus 14bc minus 6ca is the answer for question number 2, part 4. Now we'll move on to question number 5. There is minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z square. Minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z square. So in this question, we'll equate the question with a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca. We'll substitute the values of a, b, c as minus 2x plus 5y and minus 3z. While substituting values, we'll get minus 2x square instead of a square. In place of b square, we'll write 5y square. In place of c square, we'll write minus 3z square. 2ab 2 into minus 2x into 5y, 2bc 2 into 5y into 3z with negative sign, and 2ca 2 into minus 3z into minus 2x. Now we'll solve the brackets. Minus 2x square is 4x square, 5y square is 25y square, 3 minus 3z square is plus 9z square, 2 2s are 4 and 5, 4 5s are 20, or 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, that is minus 20xy. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30 here in the second 2bc. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30 with negative sign, so it will be minus 30yz. And 3 2s are 6, both are negative, so minus minus will become plus, and 6 2s are 12, zx will be the answer. Good, Pratik. Alak, you wrote the answer in mixed form x and a. It is 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square minus 20xy plus 30yz minus 12zx instead of za you wrote. So I got the answer from Aditya, Alak and Pratik, though the answer was flashing on the screen also. So here we go for the second, that is next part, sixth part of the question, which is in the form of fraction. The question here is the last part of question number 4. 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus a. 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus a. We need to expand 1 by 4a by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1. So we have this question here. 1 by 4a plus 1 by 2b minus 1 by 2b plus 1 square. Now we'll equate it with the identity x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus, oh sorry, plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So we'll substitute the values here. On comparing, we know that x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now we'll equate it with the question. So we have x is equals to 1 by 4 a, the y is equals to minus 1 by 2 b, and z is equals to 1. We substitute the values here. So x square will be 1 by 4a, x square will be 1 by 4a whole square, y square will be minus 1 by 2 b whole square, and z square is 1 square only, so it will be 1 square, plus twice xy, that is 1 by 4 a into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 b. This is 2ab, twice xy, 2 into 1 by 4a into minus 1 by 2b, plus 2yz, that is 2 into y is minus 1 by 2 b minus 1 by 2b, and z value is 1, so it will multiply it by 1. We don't need not to multiply now. Plus twice zx, instead of zx we'll have 1, and x is 1 by 4a, 1 by 4a. Now we'll solve these brackets. So the first one is 1 by 4a whole square. While solving this 1 by 4a whole square, we will get 1 by 16a square. It will be 1 by 16a square plus 1 by 4b square, 1 by 4b square plus 1 plus this 2 and 4 will get cancelled, so we'll have 1 by 2a. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled, we'll have 1 by 4ab. Sorry, we'll have 1 by 4ab, but it will be of negative sign because b is negative. So this positive will become negative. Now the next one is 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and b into 1 will give you b only, but as it is minus 1 by 2b, so it will be minus b. It will be minus b. Now the next one is 2 and 2 get cancelled, it will be minus b. 2 and 4 will get cancelled in the next, and both all are positive, so it will be positive sign. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and a. This is the final answer for question number 4, part 6. 1 by 16a square plus 1 by 4b square plus a plus 1 ab by 4 minus b plus a by 2. Alak wrote it's a by 4 in the last term. Kushagra haven't solved this properly. I mean, the simplification is not done. Pratik wrote a square by 16, b square by 4, plus 1 minus ab by 4 minus b plus 1 by 2. Good, Pratik. Manan also wrote it a square by 16, b square by 4 plus 1 minus ab by 4 minus b plus a by 2. Manan is also good, right? Correct. I got the answer from Raghav. Akhilesh b square by 4 plus 1 minus ab by 4 minus b plus good. Perfect. So I got the answer from Raghav, Akhilesh, Manan. All right. So, though we have done with the second part of the question, last part of question number 4. Now we need to factorize in question number 5. The question, I mean the same identity will have right hand side and we need to find the left hand side. So here we'll go with this. Question number 5. So question number 5, we have 4x square plus 9y square. 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xy. 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz plus minus 16xy, and we need to factorize it. So to factorize, we'll equate it with a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca. Here we need to check this second and third and fourth, that is 2bc and 2ca are negative. 2bc and 2ca are negative. The common part is z only. The common part is z only. So the z will be negative here. That is, we'll have the value of c will be negative minus 4z. The value of c will be minus 4z, because in 12yz, 24yz and 16xz will be having negative values. So here check this minus 16xz and minus 24yz. The z is negative, so it will be minus 4z. The 16z will be square of minus 4z. So on equating, we'll get a is equals to 2x, b is equals to 3y, and c is equals to minus 4z. 12xy can be represented as 2 into 2x into 3y, 3 to the 6 to the 12. 24yz can be represented as 2 into 3y into minus 4z, and 16xz can be represented as 2 into 2x into minus 4, that is minus 16xz. Now, because we are equating it with a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca, on equating we'll get the value of factorized value as 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Another factorized form of the same question can be minus 2x minus 3y plus 4z. This is also possible that x and y both are negative, but z is positive. So another factorized form for the same question is minus 2x minus 3y plus 4z. Now we'll move on to the second part of the question. The second part of this question says 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus 8zx. Here in the second, that is 2ab, and the last one, that is 2ca, both are negative. So we'll consider a as negative because the a is the common part in 2ab and 2ca. Because this 2 root 2 is negative, 2 root 2 xy and 8zx is negative. So common is x only, that is the first term, that is 2x will be negative. So we'll write 2x as under root 2 x whole square, y square as it is. This 8 will be 2 root 2 z square. If we'll do the prime factorization of it, it is 2 into 2 into 2. If we need to take the under root, that will be 2 into 2 into 2 will take one pair 2 common and will have it under root 2. So the 8 will be 2 root 2 z whole square. Now this 2 root 2 xy can be represented as 2 into under root 2 x with negative sign and y. That is, this 2 root 2 xy is 2 into under root 2 x into y. This 4 root 2 yz will be 2 into y. This is into, not positive, into 2 root 2z, that is 4bc. And minus 8z, 8xz can be represented as 2 into 2 root 2 x, 2 into under root 2 x into 2 root 2z. So here we'll have a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Instead of a we have minus 2x, instead of b we have y, and instead of c we get 2 root 2z. So it will be the factorized form of the question will be under root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z under root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z whole square. All right, under root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z whole square is the next part of the question. Now just try to have a look on question number 6. It is nothing but a plus b whole cube. Just try to solve it by yourself. That's all for the day.